saw you. I knew you were going to be the one. I thought it only happened in the movies, you know. The pounding heart, the sweaty hands, the shaking leg. I was coming out of the theatre one night when it started pouring absolute heavy rain. I stood there, absolutely soaked through, freezing cold, teeth chattering, and you bumped right into me. And you looked straight at me and you said, "Do you need an umbrella, mister?" We spent every night after that together. And eventually, you said you'd love me. God, 3 months later we were getting married. It sounds stupid, but it was such a corny romance. But then life never turns out how you expect it to. You expect it to be some big fairy tale until one morning you wake up and you realise you're leading an average little life, living in an average little house. And your dreams are actually about paying the bills or maybe one day buying a bigger TV. You realise that maybe these were the dreams you were meant to have. I could have lived with all that actually. But then, one day it just stopped. It started with small things. New aftershave, going to the gym more, late night texts, coming home late. And I thought to myself, no, you're crazy. He'd never do that. It was just out of my mind. I followed you home from the office one night. I followed you to that seedy hotel where I saw you meet that boy, and my whole life just fell apart. I came home and cried in our average little kitchen for hours. And I grabbed the knife. And I thought to myself, if this is all life has to offer, then I can do without. But then I changed my mind. After all, I'm not the one cheating, so I sat quietly in our average little kitchen and waited for you to come home. When you did come home, eventually, you didn't suspect a thing. Not till I held the knife to your forehead and watched the fear grow in your eyes, and I bet you thought, he'll never do it, he doesn't have the balls, he's just trying to teach me a lesson. You are so wrong, honey. I sentence you to death. I sentence you to death for stomping on all of my dreams, for treating me like shit all these years, lying to me, betraying me, and humiliating me. I'm making an example out of you. For all those other arseholes out there who think they can just keep on fucking us over and over again. Goodbye, my love.